Is part 2 of the restoration of this old Kennedy toolbox, 11 drawer. Like I said in the last video, I was cleaning out the felt and trying to get the rust squared away, and the bottom is really bad. But what we're doing is getting the rust out from this to this, doing some light coat of oil-based paint inside the drawers. So eventually we're going to reline it with some nice new felt. The bottom here is really rough shape. I don't know if you can see, it's all rusted out up on the edges here too. So what I got planned is removing this stuff, cutting this out, and then using some aluminum angle. And see, what I'm going to do is go over the edge here after this is all cut out and run the pieces full length to strengthen the bottom for front and the back right here. The sides are going to be more aluminum angle, and for the center I'm going to be using some like 2-inch by 1-inch aluminum angle for the braces in the center here, as you can see, for structure, because I know machinist tools and tools in general can be heavy. What I'm going to do is this, all these are all good, working nice, and the slides, I'm just going to lithium grease them up a little bit and clean up a little bit of the rust on the clips and stuff. Put a new lock in it because this one doesn't have a key. But for overall, I mean, it's really still very solid, except for this on the bottom. But yeah, that's it. I'll keep you posted on the progression of this old Kennedy. Make a good box. Thank you. Have a good day.